Okay, so a week ago Saturday we got 8 inches, and then we got 32 inches, and now we just have a mere 14. It's insane. You can see, look at this. Here is Zach, woo, cross-country skiing on top of probably up there 5 feet of snow down to the street and trying to not get killed. There's Zach. You cannot walk in the yard. It's insanity. So we're waiting for this to end at 9 tonight, and then I'll shovel again. It's our third. It'll be our third time. It's absolutely banana bonkers. Here is the pathway up till you can see our trees there. If you get it level, that's a snowbank. This is Andover. Here's Zach back. You can see the drifts up to his shoulders. Oh my gosh.